Good evening. Am I audible? Is my screen visible? Great. Thank you for the confirmation, guys. Good evening, good evening, good evening, and good evening. How are you guys doing? Yes, new laptop. It's my old 2 years old laptop. After a long time, yes, 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 Sandalas put me today for the class. So I thought let me take as my voice is not clear, the market is good. Let me check my internet speed. So let me go to the fast.com and check my speed. Guys, I'm in super fast speed. I'm in a speed of 120 Mbps. Of course, I get even 120, 130, 140 Mbps speed. So perfectly fine from my side. So if there's any issue, you should be looking into your network, right? Okay. So uh, okay. So today we will learn about it's a short topic of 1 hour, 1 hour topic. Let's not take more than an hour. So let's try to concentrate on learning today. Okay. So let me make some expectations. Today we want to learn about Fibonacci series. Okay. Today we will learn about Fibonacci series. Couple of expectations. No out of the box questions, right? No out of the box questions. Okay, we're going to learn about only about Fibonacci series, nothing else we're going to discuss or we're going to do it. For that, you're supposed to join the clarification session to discuss any out of the box clarifications. Okay, so people have joined to learn about the Fibonacci, so let's concentrate only on that. For the benefit of everybody's interest, I will not read any questions apart from Fibo. Okay, my volume is full, it's 100%. Okay, my volume is almost full, it's 100%, it should not be a problem. Okay, so next thing is that's expectation. This is the only thing which I want you guys to maintain the discipline, and I want you guys to concentrate on Fibonacci numbers. So a couple of things to do it. Do self-reading lot. Okay, a lot to know more about the topic. Number two, do not waste mentors time in drawing things. Okay, rather use for learning. So what I'm trying to say over here is, for example, I teach you something, some topic or something about Fibonacci numbers. So usually what people will do, so can you please draw Fibonacci for this stock? Can you draw for this stock? Can you draw for this stock? They will start wasting time in making the trainer write about these numbers. So it's always good understand the concept. You try to do it. If you don't get it, then again come and ask. It is worth that time. Not just because you have some stock. You just shouldn't be asking trainers to review that. We should use the time to get the more and more knowledge. For example, see, we may be not telling proud about ourselves. What we are trying to say is we are committed to teach you guys and we'll be spending time with you. So we expect you also to respect the others' time and grab how much of a knowledge you can grab in this 1 or 2 hour session every day. Don't even let 1 minute to waste trainers because we have lot of things to teach. We have lot of things to teach. Okay, done. Okay, so again, people are do not listen this. They keep asking out of the box questions, but not to get disturb myself or disturb other people. I will not read any questions apart from Fibonacci. Is that clear for everyone? You're almost coming to close of session, but still people does not maintain this discipline. That shows that you're not following the discipline. Stock stock market is all about 90% of discipline, 10% of technical knowledge. So you guys don't follow that. Crystal clear, perfect, right? Okay. Now, so let's learn about one of the important topic of Fibonacci. So now, if I say something, okay, if I give any point or any topic, that's the period, and there should not be any confusion on top of this. So if I say you have to do this job on the stock B, that's the period. We should not be asking question, can I apply it on stock A? Can I apply it on stock C? Can I do it on stock E? Don't ask such questions. What I'm saying, that is the period. And on top of it, you have 100% luxury to apply that thing from A till Z. You can apply, test it, back test it, front test it, create new strategies. Nobody is stopping it. But do not ask me, can I apply it for A, apply it for C? If it could be applied for A and C, I would have told well in advance. Just because it could not be applied for A and C, I'm telling apply it only on B. Am I clear? That's how stock market straight and answer. If I say this, that is the period. There should not be any question apart from that. We just tell you only what works. Other thing, you have luxury to spend your time and do explore and do a lot of things. You don't have any problem at all. But you guys have to learn what we teach. So let's not deviate that also from our topic. Clear? Next. Come back topic Fibonacci. One of the widely used tool in the market or in the stock market, which is the beautiful thing uh, which works the best in anything, right? So let's understand what is Fibonacci numbers first. Just a small background about Fibonacci. Okay, so Fibonacci, it's a like I don't want to go to the history and all who designed it, but basically this is how the Fibonacci numbers looks. It is series of number. It is a Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series in nature. So it comes in everywhere. Okay, if it is nature, if you go to this anything which you see in nature will be of Fibonacci number. For example, this exactly matches the Fibonacci number. The trees, the plants, the leaves, the stems, whatever you see, it will be designed in number of Fibonacci 1, 3, 5, 8, whatever number comes, it will be designed. Everything in nature will be as part of Fibonacci numbers. This leaves what you get is also Fibonacci number. Why Fibonacci number? If it grow as per Fibonacci number only, the every leaf of the plant will get sunlight. Will get sunlight. See the egg, it is the Fibonacci series. The shell, this also Fibonacci number. So this is also Fibonacci number. So Fibonacci is present. This is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is a Fibonacci number. This is a Fibonacci number. See 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 5. So see everything in nature is part of Fibonacci. Similarly, stock market experts trying to bring this Fibonacci number into stock market as well. Okay, stock market as well. So now coming to back to the point. So how does Fibonacci numbers will help me? Okay, now let's come to a one small example. I guys have heard this example from me many of times. Just a small example. When you are standing on this particular cliff, if you drop a ball, there's two options. One, the ball will drop here, bounce, drop here, bounce, drop here, bounce, drop here, bounce. It will hit the down zone. So now, is this trend is an uptrend or a downtrend? It's basically a downtrend. So we should consider this into stock market. When the stock is falling on the down market, sometimes it will have a small bounce. it will have a small bounce. It will have a small bounce before falling further. Small bounce before falling further. Small bounce before falling further. So this, the bounce, what it happens, the bounce, what it happens, that is called as Fibonacci retracement. So what does this tells us? It just tells us that when the stock is going down, if it able to find a support or some kind of a reversal, till what level it will bounce back before falling further down. Now that can be measured, identified with the help of Fibonacci numbers. Okay, so now when on a downtrend, when you're putting on a downtrend, this would be considered as 100%. This would be considered as 0%. Okay, 100% and 0%. There could be a, what are the features of Fibonacci? Let me explain. Universal. It works in stocks, index. Okay, it works in stocks and indexes. Only these two are there in stock market. There's nothing apart from this. Apply Fibo on cash charts. Okay, if I say apply Fibo on cash charts, that's the period. Don't ask me a question. Can I apply it on future stock? Can I apply it on option stock? Can I apply it on option chart? Can I apply it in future chart? No answer from my side. If I say cash, you have to use cash. That is the right way of using it. But if you wish to use it in some other mode of instruments, you can use it. I don't have any restriction. Number 3, Fibo works best on higher time frame. Okay, higher time frame. Don't ask me what is the higher time frame. The more higher time frame you select, it works the best. So the biggest is monthly. It will give you the best results, right? The smaller it comes into it, the accuracy will not be so big. Great. Okay, 4th one. Best to use on daily time frame. Okay, best to use on daily time frame. Avoid, best is daily time frame. So you can ask me, can I apply on daily chart, 4-hour chart, 3-hour chart, 2-hour chart? It's your wish. The best is to apply on daily time frame. For intraday, you can use 15 minutes time frame. All learnings will remain same. All learnings will remain same. Remain same. Only the time frame will differ. Right? Only the time frame will differ. Rest all conditions will remain same for Fibonacci number. So you need to have, okay, this is the GAN of Fibonacci series. The prerequisite is for drawing Fibo, good candlestick pattern knowledge. Without this, you cannot draw. Number 2, good candlestick pattern. There should be a trend, uptrend or downtrend. Okay. Trend can be considered at least 7 candles and above. Or you can, for a learning purpose, you can even start keeping 10 candles, I would say. Once you become expert, but minimum 7 candles will keep it, right? Trend can be considered at least 7 candles. This is the 3rd requirement. So trend. So what do you mean by trend? The stock should have some kind of a trend. Okay, it's only 2. Either it can be uptrend or downtrend. When the stock is going like this, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. You cannot draw Fibo. Okay. Number 4, will not attempt to draw Fibo on sideways market. Don't try to fit the stock in Fibo number. You just need to write Fibo when the stocks comes into it automatically. So basically what we're trying to do, people, is they just learn something, they just try to fit the stock into this and try to make an entry. That is where most of people face. Don't push the entry to come into your pocket. You take which is automatically come into that particular indicator. Okay. The fifth one is here important thing. Do not compare Fibonacci indicator with other indicator. So don't ask me a question, is the Fibo better or is it PO better? Is it moving average? No, everything works at its unique way. There is no other indicator required if you are working on a Fibo number. Okay, so this one more thing. Fibo numbers has to be studied separately. Okay, and applied and used separately. So don't add, I'm adding a Fibo, I'm adding a pivot point, I'm adding a Fibo and moving average. I said nothing. If you're using Fibo, you can use only Fibo. It is a universal indicator. Maybe you can try adding it, you test it. See, if I post any chart on Fibo, there will be a no indicator on this. I even switch off the RSI. Wherever you can see my charts, when I'm using Fibo, I use only Fibo. I do not use any other indicator into this. Just only Fibo. Be it whatever time frame, I use only Fibo, nothing else I use on when I'm using only Fibo numbers. Okay, that's one. So I told, okay, so let's come back to this. So trend have to be there. Do not attempt to try the Fibo on a sideways market. So now, how do we draw Fibo? Okay, first, find out the trend. Is it an uptrend or a downtrend? So find, let me write that also, uptrend or downtrend. Number 2, find the reversal pattern candle. Once you find the reversal candle, wait for the confirmation of reversal candle. Okay, so you have to find the reversal candle, wait for the confirmation of reversal. Okay, once the reversal is confirmed, mark the high of the trend. Number 4, fifth point, mark the low of the trend, right? 6th point, apply Fibo and Fibo will do the rest. Okay, this is how to draw the Fibo. So what are the conditions? What are the conditions? Fibo will not tell you the target or resistance. Okay, let me add one more here. Okay, Fibonacci will not tell you the resistance or support. Fibo will tell you only the PRZ. What is PRZ? Potential reversal zone. Fibonacci will just tell you what is a potential reversal zone for this particular stock. Potential reversal zone, that when the Fibo applied, this stock could take a reversal from this zone. So you can consider it as a target or resistance, whatever you want. But people will tell you the stock may possibly take a reversal from this, or it may take a reversal from this level or next level. It just tells you what are the potential reversal zone for the particular stock. Simple as that. Okay. Number four. That is one. The most important Fibo numbers are, we can take it considered one as, that is 38.20%. Number two, 61.80%. These are two very important Fibo numbers which you have to consider. However, because this is comes with very big level, we add some intermediate numbers. We add some intermediate numbers like 23.60, number two, 38.20, number three, 50% also sometimes you use, number four, 61.80, number five, that is 78.60. So we use these potential reversals if and last is 100%. So this is the places, or some people even sometimes we also use dot 13. Okay, maybe you can ignore that as of now. I don't use much this dot 13. That is, I can ignore that. For 50 also, now it is done. Let me take off that. Okay, so basically these are very much important. 50 also, I use it most of times. Okay, so these are very important potential reversal zones of Fibo number. Okay, let me put back Nifty. Let's come back. So there's a, if you follow this, your work will be done. Okay. So now let's come back for our learning now. Let's try to understand Fibo. So now, okay, we'll go to the drawings of Fibo later. So do you have any doubts on the things so far we have discussed? I'm just wondering, how come everybody is silent? I didn't get in a single question from last 20 minutes. Am I really audible or not? Because nothing is understanding, or everything is going above the head, or everything is understood. Not even a single question I've got till now. Confusion is yet to start. Okay, great. Trying to be a good listener. That's good, right? Understood what you told. Perfect. That's good, really good. Okay, now I have got one question. How did you arrive at these percentage? I did not arrive at these percentage. These percentage has been arrived by a lot of mathematicians. You can go and check Fibo series in stock market. Numbers gives there 23.6, 38.2, 61.8. So these three are three important zones. Okay, 23.6, 38.2, 61.8. Okay, Mr. Vamsi, I clearly told there is no accuracy of Fibo. Fibo will just tell you the potential reversal zones. It does not tell you target. It gives 5 stocks, 100 stocks in potential target, 98 hit, 2 stop loss hit, nothing. It does not give you target or anything target to understand the accuracy. It just gives you the potential reversal zone. Okay, done. So let's come back to learning now. Now, once we find this, so how do we draw the Fibo? So it's pretty simple. Let me, okay, now the only major concern is find the trend for you guys. That's a trend which you guys have to follow. So now Nifty started falling from this particular high. After this is the high which has made. After this, it has just made a low, one retracement, then again falling. Here, there is nowhere I got a reversal sign. So this is the one reversal sign which I've got, which is a doji. So when can I use Fibo, what is the use of it? Now, I don't have any indicator which tells me what is my potential target or what is the next resistance zone. In that is the case when every indicator fails you, you didn't get anything because of why the stock is stopping at this location. There is no pivot point, there's no moving average, there's no swing high, there's no swing low, nothing is there. Why does the stock is not moving away from this particular zone? That time when every indicator gives you a confusion or no answers, you come and ask with Fibo. Fibo will tell you why the stock is stopping at that particular zone, what is the reason behind it. So now, when do we use? When we get a reversal zone, when we get a reversal zone, okay, when we get a reversal zone, now I just need to understand before falling further down, till what level it will go up before falling further down. So that is the answer Fibo will give you. For example, now the stock is falling from here, it took a bounce back. Okay, it took a bounce back. So before falling further, what is the level it will go up before falling further? That can be achieved using Fibo number. Now this will become 100%. This is the high. This is the low. This becomes 100. This becomes 0. 100 and 0. So now 23%, 38.2, 50, 61.8, 75 and 100%. So what does Fibo tell? There are potential the stock will go hit this zone, it will fall further. If it able to cross above this and close above this, there are high potential chances the stock will go till here or can fall further. Now if it is again able to close above this, it can go further up, I may fall from here. If it able to close above this, it can go up to here and fall. So important are 38.2, 61.8, the most important things. So now if it able to cross all 38, 61.8, 100%, the stock will go further high. That is Fibo extension. So now the top is 100, bottom is 0. It will take hit, come down. So similar way, this is how the top to bottom approach works. Now let's come back to this. Let's come back to our learning. So now there is Fibo have to be drawn on high and low price. That's a period. Okay. Fibo have to be drawn on the high and low. What is high? Whichever shows H as high. What is low? Whichever shows L as low. That is high, that is low. So now let's come back understanding now. Find the trend. Yes, the trend is downtrend. So I have a trend. Trend is met. Next, yes, or we can say over. Okay, over. Next, find the reversal pattern candle. So here I've got the reversal pattern candle doji. Reversal pattern is met. Wait for the confirmation reversal. Reversal confirmation has been met. So this is the place I can start drawing my Fibo. But what I do, I try to draw only here itself. The day when I get reversal candle, I will try to write it, draw Fibo, or else the actual way is you should draw only on the confirmation candle. Mark the high of the trend. So my high of the trend is, this is my high of the trend. That is February. Okay, this, I would consider this high as my trend because this is a high which is made from here. This high is not broken. It is falling, 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 and falling. And the low has been made here. This low is not broken. This is my low of the candle. So my high has been marked. My low has been marked. So now what I will do, I can go to this tool. It's free available tool. Everybody can create a login access for you guys. You can draw Fibo. There's no restriction. Click on Fibo retracement and I click on the high once and just move my cursor and click on low once. That's all. That's where my Fibo has been drawn. If I go to the terminal of this one, I can go here, click on Fibo retracement, because I use that terminal because I can change the values very easily. Okay, so this is 14th what I clicked, right? So here I click once, I just drag and click here once. Same process, every terminal. My Fibo has been drawn. Okay, now if I go to Zerodha, it also remains same. Click on this, click on Fibo, this pen icon, select an upstock, the pen icon, and select here. The both are same platforms. And 14th of this, and click on here. The same Fibo has been done. Default Nifty, this guys gives 38, 50, and 61.8. Okay. 18th Feb is the high. I don't understand how do you get 18th Feb is the high. Okay. I will write and show. You tell me which is the high, sir. 14th of February, the high is 12,246.70. 18th of high is 12,152. Which is high? Which is high? 18th February, 20th, 18th February, or 14th February? Which is high? Can somebody answer? Is 14th February is high or 18th February? Okay, 14th February, right? Okay, so now that is done. So now in 22nd February, there was a high of 12,400. There's already drop, trend reversal happened, right? Why will I take a here? There should be a downtrend. This downtrend happened or reversal happened, again falling. So I should take on the when the fall started. Okay, when the fall started, that is my previous swing high. So I have taken high and I taken low. Okay. I have a question, Veera Raju. Do we need to select it close, high, or wick? Sir, I have written high here. High means this is the high. Whatever value it shows here, you please take that value. Am I clear, guys? Everyone? Am I clear, everyone? What is high? Okay, people still having a doubt what is high, even though by end of session they don't know what is high. They're still asking what is high. I have told this is the high, what it shows over here. Okay, so I've taken a high of this and I can cross check, I can verify. Okay, coordinates, I have to change the high now because I've moved it. This is 12,246.70, 12,246.70. Okay, and low is 7511.10, 7511.10. Done. So when I draw this, automatically a Fibo numbers drawing will come, which gives you a 23.6, 38.2, 50.50, 61, 78.6, 100. So now what happens? What this tells us, there's a potential chances that I will go up to here and reverse. I will go up to here and reverse. I'll go up to here and reverse. And I can go up to here and reverse. Now, the Nifty has closed about 50% retracement level, which is not so important. So, we can expect the next target of Nifty as 10,437. That cannot be called as target. It says that that is a potential reversal zone. I may take a reversal from this particular location and fall further. Now this is how the Fibo is being drawn. High, low. Okay, just wherever you put the platform, it remains same. Again, we cross 50%, heading towards 61.8%. It goes. But the high of 20 is not 20th Jan is not broken. Mr. Saurabh, please see this. There's a downtrend reversal happened. Can you see this? I will show, make it bigger for you. Okay. Now there is a downtrend happened, a reversal happened. Why will I take here? It is a previous swing, the place where the stock started falling. Are you clear, Saurabh? I told already, I don't know where you were listening. There is a downtrend, reversal happened. This is not I can draw Fibo. I need only downtrend. Maybe small hiccups will be there, not like this V-shaped recovery. Everybody clear? We have to write only on the place where it started falling. If you see here, it is just falling. One green candle, again falling, a reversal. Same way, it has fallen, make a tweezer bottom, stock has reversed. I cannot draw on that particular location. Okay, so again, let me draw on 14th and done. So let me this before it done. Okay, so this is how the Fibo is drawn. Now we know what is the target on the higher end stop loss. Now let me write for another more stock. Okay, SBIN. Okay, so now similar way, there is nowhere I can draw in between because there's no reversal seen. The fall has started from. Now let me take a example of SBI. Okay, there are two places SBI Fibo can be written. Can somebody explain where? Okay, there is the one potential reversal shown at this location. Okay, one potential reversal because I got on green candle more of a bullish engulfing pattern, doji and going up. So I'm expected the stock will go on upper side. Okay, stock will go on a upper side. So now my high, my high, my high is this. This is where it started after consolidation mode. After consolidation mode, here, this is where it started falling. And this is where it took a kind of a consolidation. Okay, so now when I saw the consolidation, I can write Fibo, I can draw Fibo. Again, I'll go this, I'll mark this as my high, this as my low. Okay, so now what is the potential reversal zone I can expect on this? High is 330. 330. Okay, I have to draw. Now, when the reversal confirms, what is the next first potential reversal zone? People can answer now. The answer is simple. It is 23.6% is the first target or whatever you call as a reversal zone. So now, when it hit the first 23% target, if it is not able to cross and if it has broken here, what is the downside target? Can somebody figure out what is the downside target? Downside is 173, that is 0%. If this is broken, if 0% gets broken, okay, the answer is right. It's minus 23.6. It is minus 23.6 or minus 38.2. So because we cannot put minus, what we can do is maybe we can put minus. I never tried it. Can we try minus putting? Maybe I can add one here. Minus 0.38.2. 0.382. Okay, it comes. Okay, so it comes minus works, the best one. Okay, so first we'll put a minus of that. So minus also we can put 0. Maybe we can add here. That is minus 0.236. And I gave one more, right? There's one more series which comes over here after minus point. Okay, so what we do usually, we don't put minus. Okay, I'm showing you one more easy way for you to do it. Let me remove minus, and I'm just reversing Fibo. What is reversing Fibo? I will just bring 0 to top, 100 to bottom. So if you want to do it in Zerodha, what you can do? We can delete this instead of drawing a Fibo from here to here, click here and draw back. That becomes 0 will go top, 100 will come down. Okay? No confusion, right? No confusion, right? I'm just reversing Fibo, and after reversal, I just add the 1.13. Okay, 1.13. That is the number what we have. Wait, not coming. Okay, 1.13, 1.236. I can add like this, whichever numbers I want to get a potential reversal zone. Now let me add 1.13. So it is just an extension what I am trying to say. So when 100% get broken, what is the next potential reversal zone? What is the next potential reversal zone? It is 113%, which is 153. Okay. Now at 153, when the stock is going reversing, it is reversing. Now will this Fibo work? Will this Fibo work? It will not work because the reversal is happening, new low is here. So I will delete this. I'm repeating, I will delete that. Now I will try to draw a new Fibo with the same conditions. I have a trend, I have a bottom, I have a top. So now earlier where the low was here, right? Where the low was here, now the low will. Now the simple what we learned earlier, 0, 100, 0, 100. Now I just drag this low to the low of the candle. Simple. Again the same thing what we learned. 0, 100, I've got a high, I've got a low. So new high, new low. So now, what's the target for SBI? What's the target for SBI? 172.90. When the stock is able to close above on daily charts, what is the next target or next reversal zone? 182.05. When SBI is able to close above 192.5, it can go up to 218, 239, and similar way. Okay, similar way it will work. People who joined late, please watch this video once again. Whatever questions I've answered, there's no point of again reading and answering it. I've explained how the Fibo will work. I have written over here completely. Okay, you can watch the video once again if you joined late. Okay, now that is how the Fibo has been drawn. Now let's draw a reversal Fibo, that is on top and bottom. So like similar way, the stock is going up from here, it went up. It made a reversal candle. So what is the reversal candle? What candle is this? It works only on reversal place. Okay, shooting star. Okay, so there is nothing. Reversal means instead of clicking here, going here, you reverse it. Okay, so now I will again explain. I have an uptrend, which is good uptrend. Okay, I have a low which has been marked. I have a high which has been marked. Now I need to know before going further up Reliance, till what level it will fall and go up. A potential reversal zone I need to find. So now I'll click on this Fibo retracement. I click on this low and just as usual join with this high. Okay, so now before going further high, what place will Reliance might hit? 113 will not be so significant, so you can avoid using 113 as of now unless you need to have that. So, what is a potential zone, reversal zone Reliance will take? It will come, hit 1526, okay? Then it will start travel. It will start traveling upside. Okay, so now what is the target for Reliance if it crosses 1599? What is target? Again, simple. I have to reverse this Fibo, make 100 as top, 0 as bottom, and add 123.6, 138.2. Now, this when the Reliance crosses 1600, this is my next target for Reliance. Okay, it will hit 1772 as the first target, second target as 1879. A potential reversal could happen from these locations. So people who are using Fibo, the moment it starts going and hitting the zone, they will short at this place to book profits. Okay, next PVR. Okay, again the stock is falling down, falling down, falling down, falling down. Here, it showed a sign of reversal, could be a piercing pattern, whatever pattern you want to consider it. It is started to go up. So, Fibo, now the first condition, there is a downtrend. Second condition, reversal pattern. Third condition, confirmation candle is over. Fourth condition, mark the high. I would consider which has high. This high is, see, this is going here. It started falling from this location. The high, this is 2121. This high is 2125. So this is my high. From here, there was no new high made. It started falling, 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 and falling. If you cannot understand reversing numbers, you just draw the Fibo reversal. For example, when I go to Fibo number, when I click here and click here, this becomes 0, this becomes 100. And when you click here first and you click top, now this becomes 0, this becomes 100. That's all the reversal number. Instead of drawing it, I am reversing it using an option which is available in TradingView. Am I clear, Sovan? Are you clear? Okay, so now let's come back to this. Now it's a reversal. I'm having an mark the high. So my high is this, and mark the low of the trend. My low is this low. There is no low made on this. So now I have to draw a Fibo. Stock is in downtrend. So low and high has been marked. Apply Fibo. Okay, I clicked on Fibo number, Fibo series, clicked on this high, clicked on this low. Okay, done. So what is now, this is a reversed Fibo. Let me make it normal Fibo. Okay, I'm reversing it. Done. So now on a reversal of PVR, what is my first potential reversal zone? It is stock in percentage, 23.6 percentage. If the stock is able to close about 23.6 percentage, it will go and hit 38.2 percentage. If the stock is able to close above 38.2 percentage, it will go on 50%, 61.8, 78.6, and 100 percentage. So unless this high is broken, this low is broken, my Fibo numbers will not change. Similarly, that is what Nifty Fibo also has been written, which is written on the day which has made low. Still today, the numbers are valid. Unless this low this high is not broken, it is invalid. Now you can ask, so there's a new high made. It's a new high made. Can we use the same Fibo? See, you can also change. There's no hard and fast rules. Now, if you see any reversal candle tomorrow on Nifty, it will be not worth to keep this much high numbers in between. So you can delete this one. Now, on this swing, my low is this, my high is this. Imagine if Nifty is reversing tomorrow without breaking 9995. That means that a reversal is coming into picture. It could be form of bearish engulfing pattern. It could be form of tweezer top. It could be of any reversal pattern. Then I need to know what is my potential target. So again, I'll go to the rule trend. Yeah, I have a 50 10 days of uptrend reversal pattern. Tomorrow reversal. Tomorrow. I'm assuming it will make a tweezer top. I'm assuming pattern is done. Reversal confirmation. Tomorrow it may fall further down. Mark high. My high is this. Mark low. My low is this. Draw Fibo. Draw Fibo. This is my low. This is my high. So before market going further up, the Nifty will come and take a hit at 23.6. It will go further up. Clear? Where if it is too much high space in between, okay, if it is too much of space in between, if it is too much space in between, okay, so because it is too high Fibo, now itself is 1000 points, so we can use this Fibo from tomorrow. We can use this Fibo from tomorrow if Nifty does not breaks the high. So because expecting Nifty to break a high, so still we will go with the normal Fibo itself. That is Feb 14th. In this, let me confirm. 12,246 and 7511. I will lock this Fibo so that it does not move. Okay, that's one. Next is DCB Bank. Okay, so again simple here. So now here you can do two ways of drawing. So one Fibo is, this is my high. It is falling. The small reversal happened. It went, retraced, again came down. So now it is further down. I can't draw the same Fibo. So again, for me, I could use two things. I can use this as my high because it came down, went up, came down, went up. Now this is the high. From here, it is falling only one candle reversal. Does not make any difference. It came down, my low. So if I want to draw for this DCB Bank, I would say trend is downtrend. A reversal candle, doji, reversal candle appeared today, yesterday, and today confirmation happened. Yesterday itself confirmation happened. A doji candle on the downtrend followed by a bullish candle, reversal confirmation. Today also on the confirmation. So my reversal candle has appeared, reversal confirmation appeared. I mark my high and mark my low. This is not the low. I have to take a low. Mark my low. Now once that is marked, I will take a Fibo. Click on this, done. So now, what is my first potential target on DCB Bank? You guys know it now. What is it? Done. For SBI, you consider the first reversal zone. You take the previous swing high, swing low. Simple. Okay? You take the previous recent swing high, recent swing low. That is why that's why I did not draw on this high. Earlier when you saw it, I've written on this high. Okay? But actually, if you're looking for longer trend, you can still draw on this also because it's a high and this is the low. Okay? If you write this, the target will be, it looks too big for you, like 50% target. That is not right, right? And there is always there's a one swing reversal happened over here in between, and swing high is there. So you just move the high to this counter, which makes your valid good targets. You get it because 58, 69, 76, it goes up. When when this high is broken, that time you can extend this to here, and you can, that will be your one zone. Expect target as this. You can move it however you move. Fibo will give the right results. Stock will not move here and there. Okay, next you can write on a Axis Bank. Okay, similar, let me delete it. All I want is now from here, from this location, bank is falling, 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 falling. This is the green candle made. Next confirmation happened. So this is the place, this is the day. This is the day I will draw my Fibo. So downtrend, reversal candle, confirmation. I mark my low is this. Let's find out the high of this candle. So now, if I go up, go up, go up, go up, go up, see here it went up, it came down, went up, came down, green. But actually, this is the place it started falling. It did not break the high of this. You can even this, you can ignore this. This again it's sideways trend, all green candle. You can take from here. Even if you take this also doesn't make much difference. But actually take this from here, it has started falling. So again I clicked on Fibo. This is my high, and this is my green candle. This is a low, that is low has been marked. Now my high and low has been marked. So now if you see, it is trading at the zone of 23.6. Until the further lows get broken, it will not change. So now what is the next target for Axis Bank? Okay, it is 38.2% retracement level. If you carefully zoom in and check, these levels will get tested. See, the lower we touch this zone, it has closed right below. This is one of the important things which you can learn. It has just opened here, closed below, downtrend, and these numbers will always be respected. Look at here, here respected, here respected, here respected. This is how the Fibo works. Okay, we take any stock, right? See here, let me also put order power from high here. See, the high you can't take this. It has fallen, it has retraced. Okay, you can't take high as this. It has fallen. One, it has made a doji candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candle reversed. So you can't take this as high. The actual fall start from here. This two candle cannot be considered as a trend reversal. So my high is this. My high is this, and this is not my low. This is not my low. This is not my low. My low is this green candle low. So now, where is the Fibo standing? Now, do you think Tata Motors will go up or down? Why up and why down? Okay, I just need to zoom in and check. I will just zoom in and check. Tata Motors has closed above 50% retracement level, so the stock should go up. This is the next potential reversal zone. But when you see tomorrow stock breaking this 58% 50% retracement level, then it's time to book profit, and time to book profit. Tried from different instrument but same result. What does that mean? Different instrument, okay? right? So it just went up and hit this. It is closing above this. If it go further, it will go up. Okay, that's how, right? So M&M Finance, you can also check again. The high is this. This is where the stock is falling, fallen. Some kind of a retracement, a reversal is happening. I will drop this. This is my first because see because we will add here 13 point percent because the range between this and this is too big, right? 125 and 200, almost 50% close to. That's why we add one more small retracement level between 1-3%. Okay, clear?